This is stock 210751 2011 Chevrolet Equinox LS all-wheel drive, and the exterior color is black. Interior features include power windows, lock and mirror, power seating with lumbar support, tilt and telescopic steering, cruise control and hands-free communication, OnStar, CD AM FM radio, and the interior color is gray. Exterior features include alloy wheels, trunk for storage, and rear interior features include armrest and cup holders, and seats fold down for additional storage. Again, this is stock 210751 2011 Chevrolet Equinox LS all-wheel drive, and the exterior color is black.